So what's up, you lovely bunch? You join me in front of the next competition car. Sneaky little doors open shop for you. This one is the best we've ever done. Meet Carter. Oh, let me show you around. So, meet Carter. Just look at him. What a spectacular colour. And the sun is currently shining. I apologise for the wind, but this car is all about this. Check it out, 1380. Yep, 1380 rattly cam. I think it's a 286 cam, LSD, straight cut gears, absolute weapon. Yet to have it rolling roaded, but it's definitely going to be in the hundreds, probably 120-ish, maybe slightly more, but we will have it rolling roaded and I will confirm obviously when it is done. Just have a look, just look, this is a work of art. Wait until you hear it. What do you think, Albert? What do you think? Even Albert's impressed. So let me show you around. Check out the interior. Stunning wooden steering wheel, a matching gear knob. Obviously the all important 3 dials with rev counter. Wonderful matching classic bucket seats. With the rears, lots of chrome, obviously, as you can see. So this was obviously purchased as it is, fully restored. This car is absolutely wonderful. Underneath, it's good underneath, as it is on top. Hope you can see that with the light. And it had a 1 litre engine in it, and the chap who purchased it went all out and decided to spend some money and create an absolute weapon. Just show you how good the boot floors are. This is a neat, just tidies it up a little bit. New seals. Obviously got the rear. Again, Mark 1 rear end. Albert's in love with it. So it's got the Mark 1 rear light conversion. It's got the Mark 1 bonnet. Grill. And indicators. Upgraded John Brown wheels. They are, what size are they? 12-inch wheels, wrapped in 165/60 Yoko tyres. What else could you ask for? Love the Group 2 arches, matched with the body colour. Obviously the black contrasting roof with a later fitted sunroof, which unbelievably does not leak. Yes, you hear me correctly, does not leak. Again, as always, we offer the best cars. Absolutely bulletproof on the body. There is a driver's side harness, obviously seat belts as well. I've not tried the harness yet. door furniture, again with matching door guards, seats, carpets, everything all finished in chrome. All the arches, everything are fitted really nicely. I have to say, these John Brown wheels are crazy. Look at the dish on it. Really, really nice quality. This engine has done about 150 miles since being fitted, so it's not even running. But obviously you can see the care and attention that's gone in to this build. Something else there to talk about another time. But again, this is how it arrived to me. I haven't washed it off, I haven't done anything to it. Albert is checking it out. But yeah, as already described, 1380, rattly cam, all sorts of old work, twin 40 with trumpets. Just look how good bulkhead is, engine bay is. Not sure what else to say, guys, boys and girls. This is absolutely insane. Just look at the thing, absolutely beautiful. I think Carter, who's going to be getting Carter in our latest competition giveaway. Opening offer, 72 hours only, as always, so take advantage of the opening offer. Low odds, spectacular Mini, and yeah, I'm going to take it down the road and film some rolling shots with it and give you all a little tease and taster of what it sounds like. Well, actually, I'll tell you what, let's just start it now while we're on. It is cold, so I do apologise about just have a little listen. It is cold, so I don't want to rev it too much, but listen to the rattly cam. Beautiful. Hit the link on the screen, people. Go get involved.